Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I wanted to walk you guys through the checkout process we've implemented using Stripe for our startup. This video is a follow-up on the last one where I talked about why we chose Stripe and how we use it to manage connected accounts. The goal of our checkout process is to make it as smooth and intuitive as possible for our users. That means having a clean, minimal user interface along with a seamless user experience. Right now, users land on the event page where they can click on the Buy Tickets button to start the checkout process. Once the checkout begins, users can add tickets to their cart and view the total cost of their transaction. The service fee shown here includes both Stripe's processing fee and our company's transaction fee, which is how we generate revenue. After selecting their tickets, the user enters buyer details and fills out attendee information related to the event. At this point, we make an API request to our backend to create a payment intent. A payment intent is a Stripe object that manages the full lifecycle of a payment. It contains key details like the amount being charged, the currency, the accounts involved, and the platform service fee. Next, the user is taken to Stripe's customizable checkout page. One of the best parts of using Stripe Checkout is that Stripe handles all the legal compliance and edge cases for us. Whether the card is invalid, expired, or lacks sufficient funds, Stripe instantly notifies us of the failed payment. Stripe also offers a wide range of test cards that we can use during development, allowing us to simulate payments using different credit card brands, international cards, and even failed payment scenarios. This helps us rigorously test the integration to make sure we're prepared for all possibilities. Once a valid card is entered, the user sees a loading screen while the ticket is being processed. As soon as the user confirms the payment, we make an API call to create the ticket. At this point, the payment status is marked as pending. This is intentional since the payment could be reversed by the user's bank, or it might take additional time to finalize. We need to account for all possible scenarios. That's why webhooks are essential for handling payments reliably. We've set up a webhook to listen for two Stripe events: payment intent succeeded and payment intent failed. When Stripe finishes processing a payment, it sends us an API request with the status of that specific payment intent. If the status is succeeded, we update the ticket status accordingly and send the ticket to the user via email. If the payment fails, either initially or later on, we update the ticket status to failed. This ensures that only users with fully successful payments can receive valid tickets. Even if a payment is initially approved but then reversed by the cardholder's bank, our webhook will catch that change and reflect it in our system. After a successful payment, we display a confirmation page to the user, letting them know their transaction went through. The ticket also gets sent to the buyer's email as a PDF so they can save it for the day of the event. From our Stripe dashboard, we can view all transactions, including detailed breakdowns of the fees collected. For this video, all the data you're seeing is from our test environment. Looking at a specific client's account, we can see a list of all transactions, their success or failure status, and a full breakdown of service fees. This makes it easy for us to track payments and manage user transactions end to end. Thanks for watching. If you guys found this helpful, feel free to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment if you'd like to see more videos like this one. See you guys in the next one.